I'm really happy that you are.
Thank you so much, sir.
I'm really happy that you are holding a 2 offer letters today. Hi Sneha, how are you?
Nice to meet you, sir, again.
Okay.
I'm very best, sir. What is about you? Very best, sir. And a big thank you, sir. Big thank you for my side, my family side. Thank you so much, sir. This is a very great opportunity. And your video, sir, it is the best and best in the world for in a testing department.
Okay.
Thank you so much, sir. I have no words for you.
Thank you so much, Sneha. The reason I call you today because I know that I conducted your interview long back. We had a chat. We had almost 1 hour of discussion. I gave you a lot of advices that you should follow, right? That day, if you remember. I still remember that day.
Yeah, yeah, sir.
Many things didn't work out at your side, and you were sad. So I boosted you up. I gave you a lot of motivation, and I'm sure that would have helped you, right? So I'm really happy that you finally got it.
Absolutely, sir. Absolutely.
Sure, Sneha.
That time, sir, I have no, and this time, sir, I have no imagination for I got job in IT industry and in a testing, a lack of confidence and lack of my pronunciations, lack of my talking skill. But when I talk with you, you give me a confidence. You give me my lack of my communication skill, lack of my testing skills. You give me ideas. You give me a plan for your my the next strategy, and this will work out. This is a workout, sir.
Yeah, thank you so much, Sneha. Thank you so much. I'm really
I
happy.
see your all videos, sir.
That's really good to hear. I'm really happy that somewhere my videos and my motivation helped you to get your job. I'm really happy for that. Sneha, I have few questions that I will be asking you. Just help me with.
Not somewhere, sir. Yeah, yeah, sure.
I want to know, like, at starting from where did you get my channel link, or from where you got my channel? How do you get to know that there is this channel name in YouTube called as Software Testing by MKT?
Actually, sir, I'm searching for the testing tutorials. I see the many tutorials, but this tutorial not explain much of things or not knowledge about the this is a fluent English or not a example best videos. When I am searching, when I seen your video in MKT software testing MKT, this is a thoroughly explain the all software concept related small things. I have first of all I got the sanity and smoke testing difference. This is then so what is a test plan? What is a test strategy?
Okay.
What is a testing technique with example in real time industry working with this testing methods. This is a very clear information from your side and giving to me and absolutely get me confidence to crack the interviews. This is a big thing uh, achieved to software testing MKT.
Yeah, sure, Sneha. I want to know, like when I conducted a mock interview, how you were before and how you are today. Like, how do you see that whatever motivation I gave you helped you from what you were yesterday and what you are today? Uh, can you give me 2 words in that?
Yeah, sir. Before I conducting with you, I have a lack of confidence. I have knowledge, but I have lack of confidence, lack of my communication skill. My ideas are strong, but my communication is a very lack of communication. Then I will not explain in interviews thoroughly my concepts. And then when I conducting to you, you can find out my small things. To I can't break my interviews. You say me, Sneha, prepare this thing. What is a plan? What is the end in a testing life cycle? You sent me, sir, some ideas. I working on this, and now I'm got placed 2 companies at a time.
That's
So this is the, sir, before and after, Sneha.
got it, Sneha, got it. Sneha. Sneha, I want to know like what and all questions you were asked in your interview. I'm not looking for exact number of questions that you were asked, but if you remember few questions that you would like to share, that this question I
Yeah.
was asked.
Yeah, sir. First of all, he asked me the software testing life cycle. What is a rainbow testing? What is a difference between sanity and smoke testing?
Okay.
Then what is a SDLC model? What is a test plan? What is a test strategy? This is type of question, and you already covered it in your all videos. What is a traceability matrix? This is the question. Give me the scenario of the game testing. Give me the epic generation of and the epic. Derive the test cases based on the scenarios. This is type of question interviewer asked me onto my interview, and I was clearly explained these things based on your video, sir.
That's really good to hear, Sneha. I want to know, like, final question that in case anyone in this world or anywhere in India, if any one person is looking for a software testing job, what advice you would love to give it to him? Because the reason I'm asking you, because there was a point when you had no job, you worked hard and you got a job. Now I'm asking you, if what advice you would like to give to someone who is looking for a job in software testing field, any advice that you would love to give to him?
Yeah, yeah, sure, sir. Sir, I will request to one candidate to search job in testing. Please see the software testing videos and learn it and achieve it your job. This is the best and best thing in the in YouTube today. This is your video, sir. And I have no words anymore for that. Only and only I get job for the your videos, and this is my opinion to all the candidates who search the job.
Sure,
That's it, sir.
Sure, Sneha. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for sharing your reviews. Now, Sneha, like, you have any kind of suggestions for my channel? Any kind of suggestion or that you would love to share with me?
Suggestions, not sir, but only and only compliments for my side. Not any suggestions, sir.
Okay,
Only compliments.
okay, sure, Sneha, sure. Thank you so much, Sneha. Thank you so much. It was good connecting with you again. I'm really happy that you are
Thank you so much, sir.
I'm really happy that you are holding a two offer letters today. Uh, there might be, I know that there might be a lot of reasons for that, but I'm really happy that I was among the one reason for you to motivate you or to make you to study and get a new job. I'm really happy for that, Sneha. I wish you all the success in life. Uh, thank you so much, Sneha. Thank you so much. Wish you a good life.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye bye. Take care.